Man, shout out to Starbucks for the sippy cup. Oh, is that a A7II? Another beautiful day here in San Francisco. We just picked up a GoPro battery because, like I said earlier, I didn't charge the battery for this one. So I'm hoping there's still a little juice in here to squeeze out to record this episode. But anyways, let's go out to a little quieter spot and I'll tell you guys what we're doing differently today. All right, gang, so I mentioned that we were gonna be doing something a bit different today. And folks, it's primarily just going to be on this camera. Today we have the Ricoh Gr2. It's a digital camera, and for those of you guys who are wondering, no, I am not ditching film. I just wanted to shoot the Gr2 because I had the opportunity to and see, you know, what this camera is about. Now, I've heard a lot of good things about it. This will be not my first time shooting it, so I've, you know, gotten familiar with the camera a little bit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this episode. We're going to be shooting with the Ricoh Gr2. ISO probably 3200 f8, and then we have snap focus, pre-focus meter to about 1 meter, so the distance from the GoPro to myself right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strap you guys up to the camera and then let's get started with shooting. That would have saved me, man. Thank you so much. Have a good one, all right? Thank you. Alright, so we've been shooting with the Gr2 now for probably 20 minutes, and I'm starting to really kind of feel the camera. I like it. It's different from shooting film. Nonetheless, I'm actually liking the camera so far. 28mm is definitely a different focal length, but I feel like, you know, I feel like getting closer to the subjects for some odd reason, even though it's wider. So anyways, let's keep on shooting. We're heading down towards the ferry building now, and let's see if we can find anything else to photograph.
Good, man. I'm Sean, by the way.
Sean?
Yeah, what are you shooting today?
I'm shooting a new video with the Gr2. Oh. You're actually in the video. Oh, you got a Cinestill hat on, man. What's up? Yeah. What do you shoot? X-Pen
right now, yeah.
I'm so jealous, man. That's my dream camera.
I was gonna say, dude, I was just telling someone in the street corner, like, I'll die with this camera. Even if it breaks, it doesn't matter. I'm putting my casket with me.
It's being buried with you. So what are you shooting?
You're one of the first people I started shooting. I started watching on YouTube and stuff like that.
Awesome. And, thank you so much.
One day you were about my old company over here. By the front of I saw a video. I'm like, what? You in San Francisco? So I started looking. I thought one of these days I'll run into him out here.
Dude. Alright guys, so the GoPro battery is now at 1%. We're with Sean right now, and I'm gonna wrap up this video here. I'll make some more photographs. Shout out to the dude right here. And yeah, I'll show you guys all the rest of the photographs that we made from today, starting right now.